Hello everyone. Let's go ahead and solve this problem. This is number 48 from section 6.2. Go ahead and pause the video and give it a shot on your own. Okay, so we're given this triangle and our goal is to find this length x. So the tools we have in our tool belt are using sine, cosine, and tangent. You could use the other three trig functions, but our calculators only have sine, cosine, and tangent. And in general, in my own practice, I try to only work with sine, cosine, and tangent. So to figure out this length x here, what I'm going to notice is I can create two different right triangles in this picture. We have this larger right triangle, which I'll color in red. And we have this smaller right triangle, which I'll write in blue. And for each of these triangles, I will be able to find their adjacent side. So for the larger red triangle, how about we call its adjacent side y? And for the smaller blue right triangle, we'll call its adjacent side, call that w. You could label them with whatever variables you'd like. So to find x here, notice what I can do is x is going to be the same thing as me taking the length y and subtracting off w. So x is going to be equal to y minus w. Okay. So let's first find y. So if we're standing here, I would know the opposite side, and I'm looking for the adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent, we want to use tangent here. So we'll have that the tangent of 30 degrees is going to be equal to 85 over y. Or solving for y, we'll get that y is equal to 85 over the tangent of 30 degrees. I'm not going to plug this into my calculator right now. I'm going to wait to the very end. This is the exact value of y. Okay. Now to find w, again, we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we'll have that the tangent now of 60 degrees is going to be equal to 85 over w. We can solve for w. W will be equal to 85 over the tangent of 60 degrees. Let's go ahead and substitute these values over here to find out what x is. So here we have that x will be equal to 85 over the tangent of 30 degrees minus 85 over the tangent of 60 degrees. So this is the exact value of x. So let's go ahead and plug this into our calculator to figure out a decimal approximation, since the problem is asking us to round to one decimal place. Now, if this was a WAMAP question and it didn't specify how we wanted to round, we'd round it to 3 decimal places. Or you should be able to type this hopefully directly into WAMAP how it's written. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's first make sure that we are in degree mode. So we'll check that. Mode, looks like I'm in degree mode. So we'll do 85 divided by the tangent of 30 minus 85 divided by the tangent of 60. Oh, 85 divided by the tangent of 30. Just made a typo in my calculator. 85 divided by the tangent of 60. We're getting 98.14954576. So if we want to round to one decimal place, what I'll do is I'll look at the second decimal place. Since this number is less than 5, we're just going to keep the 1 how it is. So the answer to the question is x will be equal to 98.1, which would be the answer. Now, let's just say that this is a WAMAP question and it didn't specify how to round. We would want to make sure we round to 3 decimal places, at least 3 decimal places. So if this was WAMAP, what we should write is x would be equal to, I want to round to 3 decimal places, so I'll look at the 4th decimal place. Since this is 5 and bigger, I'm going to round the 9 up to 10 to make this a 0, and then I'll round the 4 up to 5. So it would be 98.150. So this is what you would enter in WAMAP. Hope you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.